Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. My name is Lisa.
And I'm Paul. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, thank you for joining us. If you are new to this podcast, don't worry. This is the perfect place for beginners. We speak slowly, clearly, and we explain everything step by step.
Today's episode is very useful. The topic is at the doctor's office, symptoms, medicine, appointment.
That's right. We will learn how to talk about feeling sick, how to explain symptoms, how to get medicine, and how to make an appointment with the doctor.
And don't worry, we will keep it easy and fun. We will also give you time to repeat words and practice.
So stay with us until the end, because you will learn many useful sentences you can use in real life.
Okay, Lisa, are you ready?
I am ready. Let's begin. Paul, have you ever gone to the doctor and didn't know how to explain your problem in English?
Oh, yes, it can be stressful. Imagine you feel sick and you don't have the words. That's not fun.
Exactly. So today, we will learn simple words for common problems.
Let's start with the word symptom. A symptom is how your body feels when you are sick. For example, headache, cough, fever.
Good point. Let's try some examples. I'll say the symptom, and you repeat after me. Ready?
Okay, let's do it.
Headache,
Headache,
cough,
cough,
fever.
fever.
Very good. Listeners, now it's your turn. Repeat after us. Headache, cough, fever.
Nice work. Now, let's try short sentences. For example, I have a headache.
Yes, easy pattern. I have plus symptom.
So, I have a cough.
I have a fever.
Listeners, now you try. Say, I have a headache.
Great. Now say, I have a cough.
Perfect.
Let's practice a mini conversation. I'll be the patient and Paul will be the doctor.
Okay, I'll try to be a serious doctor.
Haha. Don't be too serious. Okay. Hello, doctor.
Hello. What's the problem?
I have a headache and a cough.
How long have you had these symptoms?
For 3 days.
Okay, you should take some medicine and rest.
Perfect. Very simple, very useful.
Yes. And listeners, did you hear the question? How long have you had these symptoms? That means, when did it start?
It started 2 days ago, you can say, for 2 days. If it started yesterday, you can say, since yesterday.
Let's practice that. Repeat after us for 2 days.
Since yesterday.
Great.
Let's add more symptoms. Stomachache, sore throat, runny nose, back pain.
Ooh, I know, runny nose. It means when your nose drips and you need tissues, right?
Yes, exactly. Okay, listeners, repeat after us. Stomachache,
Sore throat,
runny nose.
back pain.
Good. Now short sentences again. I have a stomachache. I have a sore throat. I have a runny nose. I have back pain.
Excellent.
Okay, now let's talk about medicine.
In English, some common words are medicine, pills, syrup, antibiotics.
Yes, and when the doctor gives you medicine, we say prescription.
Good word. A prescription is a paper from the doctor that tells the pharmacy what medicine you need.
Pharmacy means the store where you buy medicine. In the US, people also say drugstore.
Yes. So let's practice. Repeat after me. I need to go to the pharmacy.
The doctor gave me a prescription.
Very good.
Now, what if you want to see a doctor? You need an appointment.
Yes. An appointment is a time to meet the doctor.
You can say, I'd like to make an appointment.
Or, can I see the doctor tomorrow?
Listeners, repeat after us. I'd like to make an appointment.
Can I see the doctor tomorrow?
Perfect.
Let's play a little role play game. Listeners, you are the patient. I am the doctor. Lisa will guide you.
Okay, ready? Paul will ask you questions. You answer aloud. Don't be shy.
Hello. What's the problem?
Good. Now say, I have a headache.
How long have you had this problem?
Nice. Say, for 2 days.
Okay, you need to take medicine.
Great job. That was your first doctor conversation in English.
High five.
Haha. Yes, high five to our listeners. Now let's give some cultural tips. Yes, in the US or the UK, usually you need an appointment before you see the doctor, unless it is an emergency.
And when you go to the pharmacy in English-speaking countries, the pharmacist may also explain how to take the medicine.
For example, take 1 pill twice a day. That means 1 pill in the morning, 1 pill in the evening.
Or take this medicine before meals. That means before you eat breakfast, lunch, or dinner.
Another tip. In many English-speaking countries, doctors and nurses are very friendly. They often ask, "How are you feeling today?"
That's true. So you can answer with, I don't feel well, or I feel sick.
Exactly, simple but polite. Okay, everyone, we are almost at the end of today's lesson. Let's quickly review.
We learned how to say symptoms: headache, cough, fever, sore throat, stomach ache, runny nose, back pain.
We learned simple sentences. I have a headache. I have a cough.
We also learned about medicine, prescription pharmacy, pills, syrup.
And we practiced making an appointment. I'd like to make an appointment.
Very useful.
Yes. Listeners, remember, practice every day. Try to say these sentences at home, even if you are not sick.
And don't forget to listen to this episode again. Repetition helps you learn faster.
We hope you enjoyed learning with us today.
Thank you for listening. Take care of your health.
And take care of your English learning too.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.